Mu kukuza olunaku lw'ebyenjigiriza olutuuka nga buli 24 April, Minisita ow'ebyenjigiriza n'emizannyo Janet Kataha Museveni akubiriza abazadde okwegazisa abaana baabwe amasomo g'ebyemikono.
Skilling young people with practical competencies is key to our transformation agenda. It is the indisputable path to reducing unemployment and achieving inclusive development. I also call upon the parents and guardians to encourage their children to join technical education training as one of the pathways in addressing unemployment.
Batunulidde tekinologiya o artificial intelligence mu kiseera kino eky'okugenda ewala mu tekinologi nga Uganda etunulidde nnyo amasomo ag'obwoleke practicals okusinziira ku Minisita Janet Museveni.
We must overcome the persistent societal bias that places vocational education below academic education. There is need, therefore, to promote TVET as one of the career paths that builds innovators, artisans, engineers, and entrepreneurs and drives national development from the grassroots. I therefore encourage all young people, both out of school and in school, to embrace TVET.
President Museveni yatandika enkola ya skilling okuwagazisa abavubuka ebyemikono nga beetandikirawo emirimu nga Minisita Janet Museveni ayagala abazadde babawe obudde.
I urge parents to utilize the holiday time with the children to guide and nurture them. Instill those values that only you can. The Bible teaches us in Proverbs 22 verse 6. In quotes, train up a child in the way he should go, even when he is old, he will not depart from it.
Emikolo gy'eggwanga gitegekeddwa ku Lwokubiri Ssabbiiti ejja mu kisaawe Kololo awategekeddwa n'omwoleso gw'ebyenjigiriza. Bya Eric Sebalamu, Sorot TV, Omunyi.
Thank you, Mama, for the press brief. May we